Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and this is my favorite summer dress from YESNO. I've had it for about a year now, and I love the versatility of this dress. It is great for traveling and can be used for so many occasions.
There are so many things that I love about this dress. To start off with, I like that the straps are easily adjustable, and I think that this style will fit so many different shapes and sizes. The stitching is also very nice. At the very top, it does have some extra lining, which is nice. And it is a very light material, but I don't find that it's see-through, so I don't need to wear an extra layer underneath it. I just love how it falls and hangs, and the pattern is beautiful. It's made up of just really big flowers with the main colors being red, yellow, and green, and I have a size small. I just love the flowy style of this dress. I think it can be dressed up or dressed down. It's so incredibly comfortable. I'm 5'9", and you can see where it falls on me, and the pockets, of course, are a must. This dress is incredibly low maintenance. I've never ironed it. I know you'll love this dress too, and that's my point of view.